we're at the South Melbourne Market for some quick brunch. So we're gonna see what they have. We're at Borak now because Hang and Robert highly suggested we try this. I've never had a Borak before, but yeah, we're gonna get the spicy lamb Borak. Look, a little bit spicy with the chili flakes. Very good. Love the onions to really bring out the flavors of the lamb and cheese. Really delicious. Definitely a good recommendation, Hang and Robert. Aptus Seafood, and they have cut sashimi available. So we're gonna get some kingfish. And they also have oysters if you're a fan of oysters. They also have like lobsters, shrimps, all that that's ready to eat. So it's really good for tourists. We're eating here and they have a bunch of condiments like, you know, sriracha, all that. But we're just gonna go the authentic way of just soy sauce. Look at the thick cut. Very fresh. You can definitely taste the freshness. But the fish itself is quite subtle, like the taste. But it's like very refreshing. I really like it. Do you like it?
Wow, it's very fresh.
Guys, we're at Pagan's Organic. Can we take a moment to appreciate how pretty this meat deli is? I've never seen, you know, such an aesthetic meat deli before. Coffee. I'm just getting a cup of flat white because when in Australia, what else to get? Can we just look at these coffee beans because they're so aesthetic. The colors are on point. It's so tiny. That's a cup of good coffee. More on the milky side, not that strong. Not bad.
Look out that window. You had your time.
So if you're looking for some souvenir, Chemist Warehouse is a great place to visit. They're all over the city. Basically, it's like your local pharmacy. There's like this huge discount culture in Australia, which is quite strange to me. It seems like they always want to save money for you, which is great. Yeah, so we're like stocking up on all these things that are so expensive in Hong Kong. So they have like aisles and aisles of supplements here, and this brand Swiss is one of the more trusted brands here. So if you're looking for a good brand, this is the one to go to. Oh, they have like lots of options, but I like the Cancer Council one. The texture is not oily, doesn't give you that white cast. Yeah, and SPF 50. Also gonna get some Cetaphil, which is like half price of Hong Kong. Yeah, 1.25 liters for like 26 AUD. This would be like, yeah, this is like half price for sure. So I'm gonna carry this to Hong Kong. Hopefully my luggage will have enough weight. We also got some like body wash because we tried Hang's body wash and it was like very nice and cheap. So we got some. Oh yes, this is the body wash that we got. It's just like a local brand, like, but it's so good, so moisturizing, smells amazing, and it's cheap. Almost 4 AUD. It's nice. That's like nothing. Passing by Mecca, and I wanted to show you, basically this is the Australian version of Sephora, they carry the more premium brands. We're gonna go in and show you what it's like because it's so darn hot outside. They carry a lot of brands that actually you can't see in Hong Kong, like this, the Violet, France, like I've never seen this. It seems like it's French. Also, their own brand, Mecca Cosmetics. This is a Beauty Election 2023 sunscreen winner. Apparently it's very good. So, you know, when in Australia, you can always stock up on sunscreen because their sunscreen is like highly vetted. The SPF is definitely very strong. Apparently the SPF 50 sunscreen that are in Asia, they'll be like SPF 30. And then they have all these rose ink brands that I've never ever seen. Yeah, these ones I've also never seen. Westman Atelier. Looks super fancy and upscale. And they also carry all your like essential like Charlotte Tilbury, Shiseido, like Le Labo, Diptyque, Drunk Elephant, all that. Allies of Skin, which is something I've seen like in the internet, but I've never seen it in person. I think it's actually a natural skincare product, so they don't use any chemical. I think that's the selling point of this. This brand smells so good, like the body cream. So Janeiro, it's I think a Brazilian brand. It's just like beach bum smell kind of. Love it. And then, you know, the usual Diptyque, Byredo, Le Labo, Maison Francis. Yeah, so definitely a great place to explore some new makeup brands if you're from Hong Kong, because we don't get exposed to all the different brands that are here. I think they're more similar to like what's available in the US, so this is a great place to check out some alternative makeup brands. We're in this really cool shop called La Luna. Love the aesthetics and everything about it. Best thing, they even have a dog in here. After exploring the South Yarra neighborhood, we're down by St Kilda Beach. When we were coming here, it really reminded us of LA, particularly the part where we drove to Malibu. And it's like really nice. It's 36 degrees, but actually it's so windy. Unlike the city, this is like much nicer, and too bad I didn't bring my swimsuit or else I would be tanning right on the beach. I think this is somewhere I want to live nearby. Like, this would be the dream to live by the beach. So we were walking by St Kilda Beach, and this one apartment really stood out, and that one, I really want to live there. And that could be a dream. So our final stop is at the Royal Botanical Garden, and very excited about this one because I really love the Botanical Garden back in London, and I hope it's going to be as good. Hopefully we'll have some time to take a stroll along the river to go back to the CBD after seeing everything here. Soak in the nature before I go back to the busy city of Hong Kong. I mean, just look at this view. This is why I love botanical gardens. It's just so peaceful and relaxing, even though it's in the middle of the city. The little one his fur hasn't even grown fully. So cute, it's like fluffy. Rudy bought his new on shoes and he can't wait to put them on already. How's your new shoes? Let me have to go so far to be able to capture you. So, before we fly, we're gonna have some more Vietnamese food because there's never enough. This time I'm trying something new. It's called bom bò hoi. I hope that's like close to accurate. But basically it's a spicy beef noodle soup. So you got the beef, you got the pork sausage, even pork. Oh, let me drink this soup because it's always the essence of a noodle. It's like quite subtle actually. It's not like, you know, really bursting flavors, but I like it. It's like great for when we're sick actually. That's why we've been eating so much Vietnamese food, I think. I'm supposed to put some bean sprout. Let me add some lemon. So we're adding some satay sauce. There's not much left. Beef is very tender. Noodle is like mi xian, but a bit softer. I really like this noodle. Definitely good sick food. Rudy has the broken rice, just like the other one we had at Box Hill. So this is the Vietnamese dry noodle.
Mine's only
Is it the same one?
Yes, I got the same, but just 8 noodles.
Try this. Never had this before, so. Much more oily, this one. Flavors are also subtle. Is it because I'm losing my taste or something? Am I losing my taste? So, finally reached the airport now. Just wanted to let you know that if you do spend over 300 AUD in one shop, you're entitled to get a refund of your tax of 10%. Don't forget to claim your tax refund if you did spend over that amount. You have to bring the stuff that you bought with you to the airport and do not check it in because they will need to check it, and do not open it because you're not supposed to use it when you're within the country. So make sure you get your receipt, products, passport, and make sure on the receipt the name that you use is same as your passport so that you're entitled to claim your tax refund. Made it to our gate because I was like browsing at all the duty-free stuff even though everything is closed because it's like 11, almost 12 now. I wanted to get all these like cream and like body wash and everything because it's so cheap, but then like I lost my smell, like, so I couldn't tell which scent to get, so I was like, I really wanted to get the Sol de Janeiro cream and then the Aesop body wash, but then I just couldn't smell it. It's like, you know, we were here for quite a long time actually in one city, and at first I was actually doubting whether we should spend so much time in one city, but actually every day was very eventful and we had a lot to do. Which day was your favorite?
Oh man, just exploring Melbourne in general, it's just very surprising. I did not expect it to be this amazing. There were so many things to do, so many things to eat. I just always had the impression it was just a small city. 9 days was definitely not enough.
And I think my favorite day was touching the kangaroo. Feeding and petting them. They're just so cute, they're so adorable. And then the horse riding also brings back memories because, you know, the last time I did it was when I was a kid. They also have a really huge like discount culture here, which is like quite interesting to me because like it seems like they're trying to like help you save as much money as possible. Other places they will be like trying to like get you to spend more, right? I'm looking forward to sleeping on this flight because I feel so out of it. Like I've been sick the whole trip. There are a lot of crickets in the airport. Like they're everywhere, jumping, hopping, so scary. Hope you enjoyed our vlog, and like, comment, and subscribe to us. Let us know where you would like us to take you to next. Bye! Guess who got lucky? Business class or what? Hi guys, gonna do a shopping haul of what I bought in Australia. Probiotics, which is good for your gut health. Rudy got some B12 vitamins, vitamin D, multivitamin, gummies, super strength wild fish oil. These things would be so expensive in Hong Kong. Zinc, vitamin C, Tim Tams. Got this deluxe version of salted caramel brownie. We got lots and lots of Manuka honey because these are so good for you. They're like anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. And if you've never tried minties, you should get them if you're in Australia because if you like mints and you like chewy candies, these are for you. Vegemite might sound scary to some of you, but actually this didn't really taste like Vegemite to me. I mean, it's just like salted biscuit. Get into the big ticket items. Victoria's Secret, obviously not native to Australia. So, gonna go into Lululemon, available in Australia, but actually a lot cheaper than Hong Kong, which is why I got these Align shorts in 6-inch in the espresso color. I love these shorts. I have these in blue. Clothes from Kukai, which is a nude one-shoulder top. Got these blue linen dress. Sorry for the crumpled back. Biscuit was all over it. So first of all, we got this candle. Unbox it. So it looks like this. And then our favorite was the Melbourne one that actually smelled the best. They are loose leaf flavored black teas. And I cannot wait to drink it because they smell heavenly. Last but not least, tea sets. Again, 50% off because it's only like slightly dented in the box. We're just gonna distribute these to our friends. Comes with very colorful tea boxes with different fruit teas. Peppermint tea, strawberry and cream, tummy tea, peach tea, mixed fruit teas, lemongrass and ginger tea. So that's it for our haul. Thank you for tuning in, and if you like this video and would like to see more videos like this, let us know in the comment section, like and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.